everybody, so today we're not printing anything. I actually got my hands on one of these lovely CDX block sets. So we're going to do a quick assembly and then we're going to kind of mini review it. So I guess let's take a stab at it. These can be bought at cdxblocks.com. This actually I got my hands on during their scratch and dent sale, so there's like one little nick on the box, but otherwise it was totally intact. Sound like fun? I got my lovely assistant here who's going to be helping, and let's get going. Be excited as I am. We have it completed. You want to do the honors?
Yeah. Ready?
Go, do it. Oh, that's not good.
It's okay. Oh god.
Oh no!
Oh god.
Oh no!
Oh god.
Oh, we need to put more on there.
Oh. Here it goes.
Oh man, I'm scared.
Oh!
It's so broken.
It's like the dragster. You're stuck at the top.
Wait. Here, stop. All right, we did it. We made it.
Yes.
It only took forever.
Yes.
You want to do the honors?
Yes. Let's try this.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's gonna make it. Woo! Hey, it works. That's so adorable. All right, so just let's talk about what we built and kind of give our thoughts. So my initial thought is it's cool. There was a couple of issues with our lift hill, obviously, which the tube doesn't naturally roll over the slopes, so that was kind of annoying. But we were able to figure it out.
Yeah. It was a little bit tricky at first, mostly because of the way the directions are written. So maybe it's my really old eyes, but
We
it's
messed it
all
up.
white. The little dots are little, and it's been a minute since I've made any kind of like Lego model
You
like
gotta
this.
like get a magnifying glass and like kind of look. It's like, okay, that's like 7 dots. And
it's all white, so it's really hard to tell the difference between the pieces.
you should make your track red. So. The next model's gotta be a red track. Anyways,
are you giving away secrets?
No, it's the Sidewinder. They had a Kickstarter for it. It's
okay.
the steel version of this. We're late to the party here.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, like this page. Look at this. It's like almost white. It's like really hard to see what's going on there.
Yeah, it's really hard to see.
And we messed up. So,
yeah.
But otherwise,
yeah, it was pretty good. Except for Matt doesn't know how to follow directions. So
it's because it's too white.
he got the entire thing together, and there was a piece missing right here, which he accidentally put over here.
Yeah.
Which caused our hiccups.
That was user error, not with the model, but it works very reliably. That's what I can say.
So, putting this together to a regular Coaster Dynamics model, what do you think?
What a great question. So I also have a Scorpion model, old school.
Yeah.
This takes a lot longer, but I feel like there's a lot more versatility with the Lego setup where you can go and create anything and make it look like a roller coaster. It's not like a replica model, because like I feel like with the older ones like the Scorpion and the Dragon model, you're kind of stuck to their layout where like you kind of get afraid to start cutting it up because they just don't make those anymore and it's hard to get a hold of. So this, you can totally customize it. There's parts readily available. You can order expansion kits. So I think that's really cool. You don't have to just stick with this. Maybe we'll get creative and get another one and make our own little custom layout. It's not just stuck to this own layout. Beautiful.
No waiting in line today. Train's gonna keep on going.
Works are really good. So there you have it. Pretty sweet, eh? But there's also this one that we have to go build.